Remove the strips off of the tape underneath the 12-inch spacer clip and locate it in the middle of the panel. Remove existing pan head screws located just outside the panel clamps. Place the blocks into position over the screw hole and secure using the same screw previously removed. Position top trim so the ends of trim align with the center of the connector slots. The holes in the top trim should align with the screws holding the blocks below. Snap the top trim securely. Place the seal over each hole, and a thin seal in the middle of the top trim. Make sure the same amount sticks out on each side. This part requires 2 people. Align the glass evenly within the channel. If the glass seal slides off place, pull the glass up and reinstall. Push the glass down firmly and evenly into the channel. Remember that the logo on the glass should always be consistently on the same bottom corner, and have the shiny side of the glass consistently on one side when installing multiple pieces of glass side by side. This will make the installation look better and more aesthetically pleasing. Add a cap at each end of the top trim to finish the installation. Using a sharp knife, cut the excess material that is sticking up above the trim.